Una welcome to Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And today na October 1st, 2015. If you do your plus or minus, you go see say na 55 years when we say our obodo Nigeria don dey as an independent nation. And today we dey very very happy. We don roll out the drums. Not be just say we dey celebrate independence. We don do our plus or minus, calculate everything. We dey celebrate 55 years. Now why on top of Wazobia TV, we can't do extra work on top of As E Dey Hot. Package am, make it sweet well so that for 2 hours, that is from this time around, go reach 11 o'clock, we go dey search una all the interesting things about obodo Nigeria from before and present. We go come discuss so many important issues so that we go carry recommended glass look where the future of our country dey. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi. Una know say if una see me, una go see my twin brother as he take concern talk matter for political arrangement.
Yes, good morning our viewers and welcome to this special edition of our program where they look into the 55th birthday of our obodo Nigeria. I go talk say congratulations to Nigerians on the level say yes, so say we at least we dey in unity to witness this under breakthrough for this country, because last year we celebrate 54 years. This year at least we can't join together, struggle together, vote together. We no even allow Gbege enter in the course of the vote. Can eventually with the witness the 55th birthday of our obodo Nigeria. And congratulations once again. My name never still change. My name is Nkubi.
Yes, Nkubi, not be, you know, say, as you even can't even dimension, can't talk about our election. My mind can't sweet me. Yeah, the reason I say, you know, say, for a very long time, when I say very long time, I mean 16 years when we return to democratic rule, we don't get, you know, the system when we say, now one particular political party, the People's Democratic Party, now in there for government, they rule. But this time around, we don't see change. And the change when we see now, peaceful transition from one political party to the other political party. So this one an indication say, as Nigerians come and talk, say, see what we want. Our politicians say they accept. Say, okay, oh, if now waiting the collective people for Nigeria want, make we give them and make them move our country forward. So this 55 years, they extra special because we don't see transition from one party to the other, and just like the consolidation of one democratic government to another democratic government.
So another interesting thing about this battle we just talk now, be say Nigerians at this point can collectively come together and tell us, say, look, that moment for us to speak, to come together and, as one, change this new government don't reach. And this one be said, not be say then they demand for new government onto say maybe say now for because of say this person is my brother. They demanded for a new government onto say we needed something new. We needed a new transition. At least a new government needs to come in place so I to go see whether areas where this past government no fear address, whether this new government go fear address them, upgrade them. Nigerians can't do it, can't put mouths together. The youth, everybody can't come together and say no. We must have a new government, and now we think can eventually take place.
And we dey happy say, as a nation of people who come from different background, Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Calabar, Efik, Nupe, we still dey together as one people. We don't face some of our challenges, and we even still dey face some, but we believe say, now together as one people, now we go use to solve this problem and get better Nigeria. We go welcome una once again because welcome, not the finish. Una welcome again to this special October 1st, 55 years of Nigeria independence. We get special, I go speak English, elements when they inside today program. We don't wrap them like what people they call 3-course meal. Now we go do some very interesting things where we say we go chook eye for inside the history of our country, going back to even before Nigeria get independence, enter independence, come fast forward, enter the return to democracy after another English protracted years of military rule. We go check all these ones, make we know, because history they very very important. If person don't know where they come from, you don't go know where you they go. From that place, we will go enter another very important segment. We will discuss economy and corruption inside obodo Nigeria. From there, with our visitors when they inside the house, the way they don't stay for standby, we go discuss how we go fit solve these problems and how we go chat. I go speak English. New course for Nigeria. From that one, we go enter inside very interesting. So I cannot talk everything, make it not be like say I just let all the cards out of the bag, and we go try our phone lines open at some point so that you self go call to congratulate Nigeria and discuss the way when the team be you for body.
Well, Chuku, they write about that. I go want make we at least make we look into the papers, make we see some of the interesting headlines where the papers carry today. And because at least we know say again enough information today for today's headlines. And one major one where we say we between 9 cover all the major newspaper. Now the fact say they say Oga Buhari, he don't do it, he don't eventually release ministerial list. And waiting this particular paper carry say Amechi, Fayemi, Fashola, Ono make ministerial list. So going by the fact say going by the thoughts of most Nigerians say, look, people say some of these people feel not eventually make list. We don't see these names. I would don't see say at least some Nigerians our anticipation do it in our anticipation. Some of the anticipation it come alive. Why some where we say we just assume we don't even know whether it will appear or no go appear. Eventually we don't see we don't take our eye see who and who will make ministerial list.
From the talk about ministerial list, we go enter the Union newspaper, and for the Union newspaper, the headline there now: cabinet delay. It is Jonathan's fault. Oga Buhari, na him talk that one. But it go dey very, very important make we explain, say, sometimes the way they go take put the thing for headline, not be like, so say, exactly. Like interpretation of what he talk. Because if you check the newspaper, come read and go inside, Oga Presido, that's President Muhammadu Buhari come out, come talk, say, the way when we say, they take give them handover notes, that is the note when we say the government summarize everything when they don't do, give in own government, say now 4 days before in government take over, and then they give them. And based on, say, we don't talk, say, change, we want something new, say they go take time, say they burn candle, they no sleep for night, based on say that they read that handing over note, say now why he delay reach September. But Nigerians, they very, very appreciative of the fact, say, Oga President been promised, say, he no go past September, and at exactly 4:59 p.m., our Senate President, Abubakar Bukola Saraki, confirmed, say, the waka enter inside the office, can't give him the ministerial list.
Yes, and that sub-headlines, and that sub-headline way day for this Nation newspaper. And that way Oga Muhammad Buhari talked this morning when he talks, say, look, Nigeria is very, very soon now go witness and what they call change. And in his inaugural speech to celebrate today, now him talk this one, say, that change we don't they promise now, that change we don't they tell now of. This very moment, we now go start to see him. And I also believe, so one of the reasons why they talk this thing now, unto say yes, say he don't eventually release the ministerial list and write about them. These ministers go do it and go straight into action to they do it to they address all those sectors where they give them the responsibility to address and also handle. So now within Oga Muhammad Buhari talk, see Nigerians will soon feel change.
He get another interesting one when they inside still the same Union newspaper, and the reason why we go even chook mouth on top now because of say now still in the spirit of the 55th anniversary of Nigeria. We now go see say CCT, that is the Code of Conduct Tribunal, reps move to save Saraki. People when they the lower house, that is the National Assembly, they don't come out and talk say based on say we suppose they celebrate, make it not be quarrel, make it not be fight, say make them get political solution to the case where we say they knock on top of the head of the Senate President. They talk say as we celebrate 55 years of independence, we not suppose they look say we won't fight ourselves to stand still. Say it's supposed to be ahead. All those ones now the one will get inside the Union newspaper.
See, another interesting headline we still there for this Nation newspaper. Now the way he talks say Nigerian Labour Congress come out and talk say look, states diverting bailout cash. That what they talk. You know, say recently, we know say some state, like every state thought say that they say the federal government they owe their money. Say federal government need to at least come help them out, bail them out for the issue of the money where they owe their workers and the issue of money where they take, where they invest into some projects, and for that reason, so they need money from the federal government. Maybe the federal government come bail them out. And right about now, also they are aware say the federal government at least approve a particular money to at least help these states to at least bail themselves out. But now NRC don't come and talk say look, if people say some of this money where they do it, where they give this state, if people say that they do it in, then they channel and they divert them into something where they not supposed divert them into. We don't hear some cases, but make we never really start to talk about them until say today, what will they celebrate today? Past all these things we they talk about.
For inside the New Telegraph newspaper, this one self, then they talk about ministerial nominees, but they don't think I can go further. They put the picture of people where we say they believe say these people they go make that list, and we get the passport photo of people like former governor of Lagos State Babatunde Raji Fashola, former governor of Rivers State Rotimi Amechi, former governor of Ekiti State Kayode Fayemi. They even put Ogbonnaya Onu, put Alhaji Lai Mohammed, Chris Ngige, Oyinlola Al-Hassan, Malami, and Udoma. These ones then take am further, say that they're very, very confident, say these people did there, and why they put their picture. We not go waste time on top of ministerial nominees, because when Senate reconvene on Tuesday, they go chook eye for the matter, and then we will get the confirmation. But you get another interesting one when they under still on the speech when Oga Presido make. He talk say Nigeria will be great again. Make I talk am again with slow motion so that everybody go believe Nigeria will be great again. And not be only and talk this one, in talk am, and some senior men inside Nigeria government and even politics, they re-echo waiting in talk. People like the Senate President, people like the Speaker of the House of Representatives, and some governors them and senior people when they inside this Nigeria. So this one give us the confidence, say, people when we say we don't entrust with the responsibility of moving our country forward. If they talk and say, yes, so they know say, somehow, monkey hand, don't enter inside the soup pot of Nigeria arrangement. But they believe say Nigeria go dey great again. All of us as a people go join our hand together to support them, and we go talk say, Nigeria will be great again.
Quickly, may I pick up from that your Nigeria will be great again. Enter this same thing where Oga Muhammad Buhari, that's our president, talk. We say, look, at 55, all Nigerians must do it. He must work to bring about change. This one we say, no be only the job, not just they restricted to us as leaders. Say every Nigerian in this case, if we want make our Nigeria make it witness the same change, now not going to leave the responsibility for just us alone. We, me and you, and everybody needs to do it and come together and ensure say this change will they preach, this change will say we go give now. Now we also join hands to make sure say this change at least we see the result. Now waiting. Daily Times newspaper, they talk with that.
For inside Daily Independent, the headliner, Presidency, Senate, flex muscles over ministerial list. Like we talk, no be as they take put am, na im be the solution to the, no be waiting and talk inside the arrangement with that. But as they say flex muscles, some people go down the reason and say, it be like say that they quarrel or it be like say that they fight. No be waiting the team mean be that. If you check the rider way follow, they say, why we delayed submission according to our Oga Presido, Muhammadu Buhari. Another one can't go for that, can't say presidency can announce names according to the Senate President Bukola Saraki. And finally, only Senate President can unveil list. This one shows say everybody know their power. Everybody know the work when they're supposed to. Presidency don't admit say okay, now Senate now go do this one. Senate don't say presidency if you do am, but our own now say make them do the right work according to what our constitution talk or what the law say make person do. Now him make it do. We go take another one when they under, and this one show unity also. APC. PDP governors seek national rebate. So this one don't show say irrespective of political affiliation, say I dey All Progressives Congress, I dey People's Democratic Party, they are concerned na national rebate. That is to say, make Nigeria get six-pack, get plenty blood, continue to dey grow tall. So this one don't show say no be by say this person in a party, no be by say na this language this person dey speak. If all of us believe say we be children of Mama Nigeria and we work together to move this our country forward, our country go really and truly go forward. And for the Guardian newspaper, it's very important we use this Guardian because Oga Presido talk one thing when we say the thing, it go touch people's hearts. Even if you be bad person, your heart go melt. I go clear my throat before I read down so that people go hear me well. Oga Presido talk say, I bear no ill will against anyone on past events who could be supposed to interpret as I talk for English. I bear no ill will on anyone against anyone on past events.
You the reader no fit interpret.
The English no hard now.
And now interpret them now.
I bear no ill will on anyone against anyone on past events.
Okay, in talk say he no carry anybody for mind, even if now relationship where they don't get in the past, if the person don't offend in the past, say he no carry am for mind. I think the rule now.
Nobody should fear anything from me.
Make anybody not do it. Make anybody not even fear me or fear anything where they come from me.
We are not after anyone.
We know they say, would they try with church or find anybody or find the whole way they say, would they find you? No, we know they do that one.
People should only fear the consequences of their actions.
Say people. No only when you put your hand for something where we say we're going to implicate you. Put your hand for bege, and at that time they fear say yes, you don't commit one kind of crime, one kind of offense, and at that time that fear where you carry for mind, you go to fear them.
I hereby invite everyone, whatever his or her political view, to join me in working for the nation. President Muhammadu Buhari.
Say in there, invite everybody, you, me, all of us join together. At least make we join hands together and ensure say that's what we promise, that's what we say we will do for ourselves, we go do one.
It is very, very important, say, make all of us believe in our country. We see our leaders, them, they speak with confidence because they believe, say, this is not time for all of us to tie our wrapper and ginger our swagger to move this our country forward. If our leaders, when we believe, say, they go fit do them, and by our vote, we give them the power to do them, they don't show us example, say, they really believe. We as followers, now we be the foundation, we supposed to give them support so that we will move this our country forward.
Chukwudi, even at that, we will still, at least, we will still give ourselves some laudable comments. At least give ourselves at least some marks. Say yes. Say at 55 we don't try.
Very
because
true.
nobody where we did 55 years ago. Now we did now.
True.
And then person where they born 55 years ago. You no go expect that make the person see they crawl or make it see they learn to waka or make it see they do it in the waka fall. The person at this point in time would all become adult. And in the same vein, in the same system as so Nigeria did. Nigeria 55 years ago was a new nation. Right about now, Nigeria don't grow. At least we know say yes, we get a small issue, one or two challenges. We don't get challenges in the past. It did happen like that. Just
very
like
true.
Say where person they grow, in go they get issue with the neighbor, say or in friends, say no, you understand that kind of thing. So even in the midst of that, they will still resolve the matter, move on with their life. Now so the country of Nigeria they we don't pass that level where we they say make we fight or make we fight this thing. At least at this stage, development we they seek for, we don't see, and we know say it go advance past what we they see so far.
Very, very true. Development when we dey fight for, we don't see, and we know say we go advance past wetin we dey see so far. Una don hear all the important gist when they inside our newspapers them. Our newspaper, everything we just full am na about independence, about ministerial list, and every like that. And as we don't talk, we go to emphasize on the positives of Nigeria, the good things when we say we don't gain for inside this our country. Because the person don't appreciate the small one when he don't achieve, he don't go sit down, get plan to do bigger ones. We go quickly move, enter inside the first package where we carry come. Make una remember, say I call them 3-course meal. We get a political jollof, we get salad discussion and everything like that. We will carry everything come, drop them so that una self go enjoy inside the arrangement. Like I talked before, we get ogbonge visitor them when they're very passionate about Nigeria. They don't dey on standby already since now they don't dey wait. Okay, when time reach for them to come out, follow us discuss, they go follow us discuss. And the first element we go discuss now about leadership for inside this our obodo Nigeria. We break them into pre-independence and post-independence. What is the pre-independence? Before Nigeria gained independence, that is from 1900 to 1960, and post-independence from 1960 till date. So quick one, before we begin to look that leadership, we could just give that this special package that they concern the speech of our Oga President when he deliver this morning. Make una enjoy.
Should stop us from honoring this day. Let us remind ourselves of the gifts God has given us. Our Creator has bequeathed to us numbers. Nigeria is the 9th most populated country on the planet. We have, in addition, arable land, water, forests, oil and gas, coastline, solid minerals. We have all the attributes of a great nation. We are not there yet because the one important commodity we have been unable to exploit to the fullest is unity of purpose. This would have enabled us to achieve not only more orderly political evolution and integration, but also continuity and economic progress. Countries far less endowed have made greater economic progress while greater coherence and unity of purpose. Nonetheless, that we have remained together is an achievement we should all appreciate and try to consolidate. We have witnessed this year a sea change in our democratic development. The fact that an opposition party replaced an entrenched government in a free and fair elections is indicative of the deeper roots of our democratic system. Whatever one's views are, Nigerians must thank former President Jonathan for not digging in the face of defeat and thereby saving the country untold consequences. As I said in my inaugural speech, I wear no ill will against anyone on past events. Nobody should fear anything from me. We are not after anyone. People should only fear the consequences of their actions. I hereby invite everyone, whatever his or her political view, to join me in working for the nation. My countrymen and women, every new government inherits problems. Ours was no different. But what Nigerians want are solutions, quick solutions, not a recitation of problems inherited. Accordingly, after consultations with the Vice President, senior party leaders, and the other senior stakeholders, I quickly got down to work on the immediate, medium-term, and long-term problems which we must solve if we are to maintain the confidence which Nigerians so generously bestowed on us in the March elections. And since then, as you know, I toured the neighboring countries, marshaled a coalition of armed forces of the 5 nations to confront and defeat Boko Haram. I met also the G7 leaders and other friendly presidents in an attempt to build an international coalition against Boko Haram. Our gallant armed forces under new leadership have taken the battle to the insurgents and severely weakened their logistical and infrastructural capabilities. Boko Haram are being secreted and are on the run. They are resorting to shameless attacks on soft targets such as IDP camps is indicative of their cowardice and desperation. I have instructed security and local authorities to tighten vigilance in vulnerable places. On power, government officials have held series of long sessions over several weeks about the best way to improve the nation's power supply in the safest and most cost-effective way. In the meantime, improvements in the power situation is moderately encouraging. By the same token, supply of petrol and kerosene to the public has improved throughout the country. All the early signs are that within months, the whole country would begin to feel a change for the better. Preliminary steps have been taken to sanitize NNPC and improve its operations so that the inefficiency and corruption could be reduced to a minimum.
Our Oga Presido, small of the plenty things when he get to talk about our Nigeria. And if you not hear what he talk, as I talked earlier, everything when they talk now to emphasize on the fact say Nigeria get plenty promise. And all we need to do now to dig deep so that we go scratch the gold when they inside that promise. Make everybody for inside the Bodo Nigeria, they enjoy from them. And when I see us earlier, Ezuku Chukudi and Nkubi as we dey inside studio to discuss the very important and special package of as they hold, as they concern independence and celebrating 55 years. We've been talking and say we get the Jollof political package, the Salad political package, the Juice political package, and the Snack political package. We go open the jollof, and our ogbonge visitor, man, when we say, he sabi well, he don't travel well. If you don't talk anything about Nigeria, if you don't talk anything about the world, if you don't talk anything about young people, the thing they here, if I be encyclopedia of knowledge, Oga Solomon James Moses. Only you, these three names combined. Okay. Solomon James Moses.
Thank you very much.
Oga Solomon, welcome.
Thank you, Uncle B.
Welcome.
Yeah,
we go once again, before we talk Happy New Month, we go say Happy Independence Celebration
to Nigeria.
And happy 55 years.
We don't grow now.
And as usual, we also extend our hand to say yes.
Not true.
Congratulations.
You know easy.
So straight up, we'll first start off this way.
Okay.
Yes, at 55, we will say at least we go talk say now we don't attain a particular age where we say yes. We go give ourselves at least small kudos, say yes, we don't come together as Nigeria, struggle together, even see independent, come down this far and still we see development. Okay, but from your own listening, how you would describe Nigeria, the progress of our country, right from when they get independence till this stage? How you would describe it? What are those things where if you say we don't achieve, we at least a call for us to say yes, we don't achieve, and maybe somehow things where if you say okay, somehow you will get into amend or patch or do this thing too.
Thank you very much, Uncle B. I think Nigeria we don't try. Looking at where we they come from, because the journey it don't take long way. But if you see when the Igbo people were being they rule us before they hand over power, you know, now two different things. Me, I feel they occupy this place, and you say you won't take over. You feel take over and I not give you much information. So you find out say we can't define how to determine our own self. And most of our early founding fathers, we've been enjoying the struggle and all those things. Along the line, then they delete. So you find out, say, as when they don't build, reach one particular level, not be everything they fit, because they still they work, say they go still there around. But as they move, some things set us back again. The new set of leaders,
new things again.
New things, and things they change. So the journey don't take. But if you look, say, after 55 years, say we still there together. Anything, any one person we don't contribute to make us as a nation day together, that person we need to thank him. So you find out, say, yes, some things, like I say, some things feel they wrong, small, but we get many more better things to celebrate. Say we they alive, say the kind war where they happen for other places, we don't even reach some of the things where they happen for here, never happen. We thank God. Me and you feel waka straight. Even though say some place, see, like president's address, not be everywhere. But again, we thank God, say everybody they contribute.
Very true. Oga Solomon James Moses, from what you talk, I think come out one key word, unity. The fact say after 55 years, we still there together as one country. Make I come paint one picture now. Before independence, you know, based on those British people when they rule us before, we go notice say our people come together. That time nobody they even talk say, see where you come from, see that place you come from. The purpose now say we won't collect power from these people, give our own self. And we are united. If you check the political parties when they form that time, or every time when they speak with one voice.
Correct.
But at independence, it can't be like say, we can't go back to say, okay, now these people there, maybe like say development day for. Now these people there, maybe like say development no day for. What will be the things when you think say we fit do? When we say the kind ginger when our heroes pass then get before say okay this thing now independence we won't collect. All of us collectively as people, irrespective of the place where we come from, we will just look and say collectively we feel achieve this thing using that unity.
Thank you very much, Ogode. You got one person book have been a rate in name na Robin Sharma. I want to Obodo Yibo guy. The guy make one statement. He said nothing feels like success. You know, sometimes when you never make them, you do hustle. You feel read overnight, you feel study, you sacrifice. But sometimes once you don't enter that place, you relax.
You call the lounge.
So you go and say, I beg, I don't already. At that level, now you don't start to fall. Because like you talk, look the fighting spirit where our leaders and everybody been put hand for us to get independence. But it can't be like, say, since we don't succeed, pursue these people come out. After all, we're on our own ground now. So we can't relax. That fighting spirit, we no can sustain them. I think if we need to continue to improve, we need to stay hungry and create what we call the apprentice spirit. Because when you be apprentice, you still want to learn more, you want to learn more, you want to learn more.
You won't become master.
You won't become master.
True.
So even when you become master, no drop say you don't learn, no, because things they change.
True.
So if we continue to stay in that learning mode, how we go improve this area? How we go improve road? How we go improve power? How we go improve security? Those kind of learning mode, now go make the country the advance. If you travel, go Obodo Yibo and many other sites, you go think say, now like this place be. The girl where I just go 2 weeks ago, I don't go there, Singapore. I don't go there about a few years ago. When I go back again, things, I mean, if you go, things they change. And we never reach certain level for that particular place. But them know they rest because they don't want to make anybody overtake them.
Very
so
true.
I think waiting we feel do as a country and our leadership, everybody, now to put hand say, look, waiting we sabi old syllabus. Syllabus they change almost every 90 days.
True.
For the political setting. True. So you need to be advance and let everybody put hand more make and work.
Okay, make I pick them up from here. You talk about unity, and we go also take. I may also take them back to before our independence. Our leaders then the likes of Oga Herbert Macaulay. We be seen a strong person. We know. We say if you look waiting in put on in place, you go see say yes. This person, a person we say he get the interest of the nation for mind strongly. Because with their West, now start up the now first establish the first political party. Okay, come down, come look say make him come down to Nigeria, can't do it. Can't reason with people where they reason like we don't understand the British world and their society. Make them come fight for independence. Say, okay, carry and enter Oga Nnamdi Azikiwe, the late Oga Nnamdi Azikiwe. We say even him, there are people will come down and say no, time don't reach for us today on our own. Can't do it. Can't establish a media outfit. We say where they voice out for the call for Nigeria to stand on their own. Carry and go Oga Awolowo. You understand? Himself, in his own way, give out free education even before independence to people so that they will feel they're educated. So that they will know say, so now like this it be. Now like this they will suppose they run things. If you look at this, we also look the likes of Ahmadu Bello and their own collective, what they don't do. You go say every individual gets a central purpose, and that central purpose now for Nigeria to get independence, for Nigeria to move forward, for Nigeria to see success and progress. Here we go talk say waiting with the issues, the challenges we they get right about now. We our leaders know if we do it, we they don't know if we give they get that same voice. See now because of say now orientation we they not get properly from the people we hand over this thing. This thought was I've been I say now just ignorant say at some point they come to say we don't fight for independence. Time don't reach for us to say make we fight for our own personal right or our own ethnic right. Where it is say the problem come from?
I mean, if you ask me, the problem comes from personal value. Because whether you talk about Macaulay, you talk about Nnamdi Azikiwe, Wolowo, all of them, they been get personal value where they be maintained. Now, it just look like
where they central
where
for the
they
country.
Central and it affect them. Now let's even take our current president Buhari. You find us in getting your own personal values. The guy be like Spartan. Okay, so and then they try to manage things. Now value for you know today shine thing. Now value. True. And sometimes waiting you as the leader, they do. People they look you. People say, maybe we'll move the cut cost to make we they manage our resources small, make it spread. If you see these people then when you call, one principal thing was to say them be they work on legacy. True. Now they don't come out for the scene, but we still talk about them. You see, they remember the things what they do. So I think if all of us begin to think in terms of legacy, because you hold position now, not temporary. If you be president, maximum 8 years, you don't come up. But which legacy people go use? They remember you. If you dey think about that one, you go they won't carry everybody because at the end of the day, no be about you.
Very true.
Not about us.
Oga Solomon James Moses, you don't talk plenty. I see mark that apprentice spirit where you talk about, and it go dey very very important. Say even after October 1st. You know, in subsequent time to come, we suppose they emphasize because, like you talk, apprentice is not they relax. He go still they aspire to become better so that thing go improve. And you don't already talk and say we not go reach one level when we say we'll come there very very comfortable because we get countries where we say we and them will be set. But where then they now, it don't be like say we know they see their back. But we go start from somewhere and we go move forward. Now make we can't talk about since when we return to our own democracy, say now this. Government of people when we say that they wear suits, that they wear agbada, that they wear tie. We get one time we say we get military administrations when they be like say those ones that suspend constitution and koboko then they use the rule. But now we don't get government when we say everybody fit talk, everybody fit contribute, everybody fit move forward. Now talking about enduring legacies, make we start from say okay 1999 till date now. From the little when we say we don't achieve, you think say under this government now because we dey start from somewhere. What our Oga Presido do? Other people go continue from there because even this Singapore where you call now people like Lin Kuan Yew now they start somewhere.
Yes.
These other people can't continue now. Now, what do you think say where be the things where we say you think so Oga Presido feel begin pick from, feel learn from, making the move on because we when we say we be the youth, the children when we say now we go still rule this country.
I will never finish.
We never finish. We go still rule this country where we go come fit pick up from. But for now, where we dey now, where we go start from, where the permutation go come from.
First of all, governance na Oyibo go say na continuum, dey continue. So you no go be say when you don't do your own finish, then you come out another person go start all over again. So if we say government na continuum, when we need to ask ourselves, we say where the last government been stopped, wetin dem be no do. You know, let me come back to Lagos where we did kind of. If you see Fashola regime and Ambode, the two of them work. And Ambode still they work. But you see, when Oga Fashola been come, many road be no dey okay. And the guy just start with road, all those other things will be say they've more visible. So suppose 100 days, the guy don't hit ground. Look what thing they do. But our new Oga, this other guy don't do too many roads. So we know say maybe in they do something. But the guy, he get other areas we want to develop, we in the work. Because you know contact where they don't already tap before. So I think when this government fit do for me right now, like I've been talking before, not to begin to make people to first of all believe in the Nigerian project. Because Nigeria na project work. And if I no believe, I no go add hand. You see, if you don't ever and you don't see motor before we be say the motor break down, then the wife, the children, all of them inside the motor, the husband, the papa can't go back, only in they push. You don't see that kind of
even if it be mighty ego.
You see the motor go they struggle. But what will happen if they bad say the mama come down, even the children come down, all of them go push, the thing go rise. Nigeria they go now top all of us won't go a bit. It means say that uphill journey. If they try to push uphill journey, everybody hand supposed come dead the back. But you see, you no go one join push if you no get hope. So I think waiting we fit start first of all to make sure say everybody believe in the project called Nigeria.
Very true.
We believe say Nigeria go better. We believe say our small effort, like we talk about leadership, it count and recognize everybody's small effort because if I put my own, you put your own together, we'll come to go closer to that destination. So I think.
Oga Solomon James Moses said, and me, you know, the first time when you been talking your name, I've been wonder say why they carry three names.
They very, very unique.
Solomon, James, Moses. Solomon, wise man, James, not twins. So
Moses, because strong man, we even.
And
all of them be leader.
Now scarcity of native name. Now they call
it. And from what you don't, if I will give you native name.
I know, no, in the course of this, we will find another unique name. You know, there are names we will give them. But then, Oga Moses, quickly, make we stay on the issue of the top now, continuity. We go see say, sincerely, we go see say, for our Nigeria, you say one of the major challenges we will get now, lack of continuity. Because we don't see government in the past where we say, they go come in, they go start up a particular project, they no go finish a project. Okay, a new government will come in. The new government will come in. Instead, make the government pick up from where this particular government starts. You go on come up with your own policy. And projects they are abandoned. Things the policies they supposed to continue. We go also further upgrade on what they don't start up. You go so once they don't come in, they go on bring in their own idea. I don't know whether not their own idea or probably they just want to say this person idea not to this thing. For that reason, I come up with my see now this same break in continuity. Now if it's now be one of the major things where they give us challenge right about now. Okay, from your own angle, if I go ask you as a Nigerian, what do you think about this particular issue on continuity on the ground? Say projects are being abandoned. What are those central things where they cause person to say I go abandon this thing? I no go fit continue. May I move on? May I start up my? Shina as a result of say, they find money we want chop, or something else dey inside we no make am won't continue from where that one stop.
Now, one simple thing come my mind: trust.
Trust. Oh,
Once trust dey broken, you go reset the whole thing. So we see the person will take over, no trust wetin the other person been do.
Very true.
But if to say I trust you, and like I said, now one project all of us they do, and me I dey do am with all my mind, and I dey do am say now for the good of all, and you do already see say wetin I dey do now for the good of all, you no go want reset am.
Very true.
But when your own process, I find I say wetin you dey do be like say na for your belly. So I say no. So when I come, first of all, I go spend 6 months, 1 year, I dey dig you. It dey slow down my own process.
Very true.
I find as I no go fit continue. And when I don't dey satisfied, I say, you know what? In fact, I want my own name. So I made them put my own name for this project. See, not be the name of the person who dey on the project. Each project supposed to be for the citizens. Each project, because if you do road now, not be say the name and say
exactly.
Nkubi way. Now, not being Nkubi they use the way. Now all of us, the citizens, they do the way.
Very
so
true.
if that road go benefit everybody, continue that road.
True.
Make it the money not be the problem. Secondly, so you know like now issues in the past, but we believe say these issues they pass. All this kickback, give me, I give you. Because if I charge you for this road 25 million, you pay me, I can't say you need to give me 10 million. I don't reduce the quality of the road I want to. So finance will know if you do all those things. But if I tell you say no, that 25 million are for the good of all. I want legacy. You see, when you travel, go some Obodo Yibo place, if you see the road, you go like say this road don't take. But then they there because of the quality. The people who been do the road, both the government and the worker, then get legacy for mind.
Very true.
Because if you do road today, in 6 months time, pothole don't do that road. Who be the person where you go think? First of all, even you will be the person who been do that road, you don't spoil your name.
You don't spoil your name
So
now.
first of all, let all of us they think on legacy term. If I need to come here work, my work now opportunity to express myself. Now dignity. Say work, I they do work. Now part of change we they do so. So if you do them on the ground of legacy, all of us go actually make this.
Oga Solomon James Moses, you don't everything about leadership when we discuss now. You don't finish work, and we go just round off this particular first political jollof with some of the important things we don't talk. You talk about apprentice spirit. You talk about say Nigeria and our project. We dey go top. All of us must come down from inside that G wagon to push am so that we go reach the up. And you can't end down with enduring legacy. Say if person they think say yes, if you know if you live past me to sell now. So if you can't buy, can't go. But people feel they remember your memory, say that man, he do something. That woman, she do something. Now he be the most important thing.
Correct.
So as you don't emphasize that, apprentice spirit, project, unity, enduring legacy. Now so we go just take a wrap up this leadership because I know say if we allow you start here now, you go open church on top of this discussion.
We'll collect offering.
We'll collect offering on top of this discussion. Everybody knows say Nigeria now 55 years today. This one is special because we they celebrate say okay, after all the things we don't face for inside this our country, we still dey united as one people, and we believe say the future they very very bright. Not be only to they look our leaders, they may they use the torchlight to they point them. We self go they give them advice from back say do and well. We dey your back. We they give you the support so that project when in Nigeria we go reach the top. That enduring legacy when we say our children when they go born, they go look back to say our papa them then try and then do plenty work for inside this our Obodo Nigeria. Oga Solomon James Moses, every time we will call you, you the answer. Make it not be like that. Now only me the thank you. Could be thank him now.
You don't try now. You don't talk. You don't talk and finish. You don't talk the major things where I and you and Nigerians need to hear. And of course Nigerians now don't hear Oga Solomon. He does at least for his own contribution for the nation's development. Now he don't give now. So make now also do is make now pick up from there as they move on. Thank you very much, Oga Solomon, for honoring our invitation and for also adding up to our own development as well.
We go shake your hand though because. Make the anointing no waste.
Thank you very much.
Our people when they for house now know say we still there here, chim. Because we tell you now say this one a 2-hour special package. We now don't see the political jollof where we carry come with Oga Solomon James Moses After jollof, na salad be the next thing. We go still discuss economy and corruption inside Obodo, Nigeria. Remember, say we talk and say today, we dey emphasize on only the positives. Not be to come and call the talk, say, hey, this one, oh, now only this person, oh, this one, now only this person. And we don't know all these problems. We don't discuss them since January 1st. Today, we go discuss the solutions and chat, I go speak English, a new course for the development of Nigeria. Oga Solomon, like the spirit will carry
break new ground.
We go break new grounds. We go move. So quickly, for make the arrangements, they okay. Be like say we go just allow make we pour water for ground small, make everything they very, very wet so that this flower will not plant from 9 o'clock. The thing will begin to germinate and it will continue to grow. Now still the October 1st special on top of Wazobia TV. And this is now the lighter as it is hot.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.